In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay username. This process allows you to update your account name, which is important for maintaining a professional appearance to potential buyers. Start by signing in to your registered email address and password. Once you have logged in successfully, navigate to your profile menu, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This action will take you to the Account Settings page. In this section, you will find various personal information options, including your current username and contact details. It is essential to review this page to locate where you can change your username. Within the personal information section, look for the field that displays your current username. Next to this field, you will find an option labeled Edit. Click on this Edit option to proceed with changing your username. Enter the new username you wish to adopt for your account in the provided text box. Ensure that the new name adheres to eBay's guidelines and is not already in use by another member. After entering your new username, take a moment to review the spelling and format carefully. A clear and professional username is important as it helps buyers easily recognize your account. Once you are satisfied with the new username, locate the button labeled Save or Confirm and click it to apply the change. eBay will then update your profile with the new username. It may take a short period for the updated username to appear across all your listings and messages on the platform. Choose a username that clearly represents your account and the products you offer. This action completes the process of changing your eBay username. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.